Merging cells in MS Word. Merging of cells means to combine two or more cells into one cells. Cells are merged in case of a common heading is to be given to a number of columns or rows. For example, you can see here I have made an example of timetable. Now this timetable is appearing in the first cell of the whole table and it is looking weird. So we can merge this first row and make it in between like a heading. How can we do this? Let us see that. First of all, we have to select all the cells of the row or column whose cells we want to merge. Then go to Layout tab, Merge Cells. Now you can see here that my first row of the timetable is merged. Now there is only one cell in this row. And now this timetable is appearing in the corner. So what I will do, I will select this timetable, click on Home tab and take the center alignment, that is center text. Now it is looking very nice. Timetable is appearing as a heading in between. So in this way we can merge the cells in a table. Now splitting the cells. Splitting is the opposite of merging. A cell can be divided into several cells in the same row or column. For example, if I want to split the fourth column and the third row, I will enter that cell. Now again Layout tab, Split Cells. It will ask the number of rows and columns. So here I am giving the number of rows as 1 and number of columns as 2. Now when I click OK, you can see the cell is now divided into 2. So in this way we can split the cell. Now table styles. Tables in MS Word can be styled using several choices available. And we can do this from Design tab. In Design tab, we can change the border. You can see when I am taking my cursor to different table styles, table is appearing in different styles. And there are many styles present here and we can select any of them to make our table in a stylish form. For example, I am taking this. So this is table style. Now we can also add shading. If we want this complete row to be in a different color, we can do that also. It is coming in different color. In the same way, we can add the column also in a different color. So this is how table style we can add borders, changing colors, etc. into our table. That's all for tables in MS Word. Thank you.